I walked outside, the sun set high. A yellow beam came from the sky. I caught it quick in my color jar. Now it glows just like a star. I'm a color collector, yes I am. I scoop up colors where I can. Red and blue and green and more. Look around, there's color galore. There color galore. I found a red apple on a tree. It smiled and gave its red to me. In my jar it danced with cheer. Now my red jar's full. Oh dear, I saw a bluebird flying high and took some blue from the bright blue sky. My jar turned cool like ocean waves. With blue so calm, my heart behaves. I'm a color collector, yes I am. I scoop up colors where I can. Red and blue and green and more. Look around, there's color galore. Her color galore. I tiptoed through the grassy ground where green was growing all around. Leaves and vines all whispered high, so green jumped in, oh my, oh my. Red, blue, yellow, green, the prettiest jars you've ever seen. I shake them up, they shine so bright. A rainbow sparkles in the light. I'm a color collector full of cheer. I find bright colors far and near. Open your eyes, the world's a show. With every step, more colors grow.